Yo, what's up, guys? This is the boy Baraka Dennis here. In this channel, remember we talk about making money. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, you like, and share with your friend who are interested in making money. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money by browsing on. So stick with me to the end of this video, but make sure you watch all my videos. This is my channel. This is how it looks like. So make sure you watch all the full videos and understand everything on how it works, so that you know everything on what we do in this channel. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in today's video, we are going to talk about two websites. Okay, actually, there's three websites. Website number one is called CLICKFUNNELS.com. The website number two is brave.com, and the website number three it's called uphold.com. And this CLICKFUNNELS.com, this is a website that we are going to use. This is what we call this is like a Chrome. I know everybody knows about Chrome. This is like Chrome, but Chrome doesn't pay you where you are browsing everything that you want. But in this website, this software is going to pay you where you are browsing. So how do you get paid? As you can see, any cash easily on the go. Easily make money every day as you move around, since everywhere you go, earns rewards, ride to school or work, walk through the mall, or bike through a park, and you'll get paid for sharing your geolocation data with the CodeCon MDRTM. Currently available only on a mobile device running Android, and available in 10 countries, coming soon in iOS devices. So in this channel, actually, in this website, actually, you can earn it through your mobile phone. Actually, what you have to do is to download this app and start using it soon. Simple as that. And also they say it comes for those people using iPhone. They say it's not yet available, but they are working on it. So just wait as soon as possible. And also here they say easy cash easy with everyday browsing, whether you are shopping online, watching videos, or surfing the net for the latest news and trends. You can do it all while earning money at the same time. CodeCon MDRTM is a Chrome-based browser to give you the best experience possible. Start earning money just from surfing the internet like you already do. Currently available only to the US users and only on devices running Windows or MacOS, coming soon to mobile devices. So actually, this is only available to the US users. So if you are in another country, I don't think if you can use this, but this is only for USA users only. So you can go, if you are from US, you can read all these things and follow up or these terms and conditions. Simple as that. The website number two, the browser number two, it's called browser.com. Browser.com also, you can, as you said, browse 3 times faster than the Chrome. This is amazing, guys. This is faster than even a Chrome. Imagine. And say browse top online surveillance laws content faster, and it uses 35% less battery. This is amazing. In the Chrome, you can use, I don't know how many percent of battery, but this one is like 35% of your battery. So go ahead and check all this as soon as possible. You just get paid by browsing something, watching videos, doing all funny stuff that you always do, and you get paid. As simple as that. So in order to get paid with this browser.com, first you get paid in cryptocurrency. And they only use the website called uphold.com. In this uphold.com, you just go and sign up, and just you get this account. This is the account that you're gonna earn. You're gonna be able to have for only Bitcoin. sorry, for only cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrency, doesn't matter. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, or anything that is related to cryptocurrency. So in order to withdraw money from Brever.com, you must have this website called uphold.com. This is where they're gonna pay you. So make sure when you are using Brever.com, make sure you also create a website, create an account on the uphold.com so that you can be able to cash out your earnings from Brever.com. Simple as that. So in order also to make money on this website, make sure you go through all the steps. Make sure you read everything so that you understand everything on how they work so that you can be able to make money. Simple as that. I hope you understand everything. In order to make money, say just download Brave for Windows 64-bit, and you just download this browser and you start using it and you are good to go. Simple as that. So I hope you understand everything, guys. There's nothing which is complicated here. What you have to do is you just need to have any internet connection and you're good to go. Simple as that. I hope you understand everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video, but don't forget to like, to share, and comment if you have any question, and also subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.